Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your region on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll and click on language, and the first step you need to select app language and change into that language. So suppose you want that in Malaysia, you simply need to click on Malaysia. So I am going to select English only. Then you need to click on preferred language, and here you need to select the preferred language. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to go back, and then you need to use the TikTok, and the TikTok algorithm will shows you the content in the language that you select. So this is the only method possible to change region on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.